2013. We're here with Jamie James, former CEAC, and currently running for Guild of Students President. Jamie, talk to me. Oh, you like the carnival vibes?
Well, I want to tell you that first and foremost, I love the fact that I'm here with my original Black and Chancellor Black X. I want to tell us how I represent the Banana Crew.
All right, Jamie, tell me now, why we supposed to vote for you for president this year?
Well, you see the vibe what we bring in here, we want to make sure that everybody is enjoying that next year. Because we're going to be efficient, we're going to answer all questions for the students and make sure that we're always there. Right? So this is why Black X represent Jamie James. See that? Yeah.
All right, Jamie, one more question before we go. Tell me, what's the best part of carnival for you?
Well, the best part of carnival for me is this, everybody enjoy themselves. Yeah.
You with Carnival 2013, here with you all day. Don't move. Right now we're here with Lyndon Carby, running for the commuting students rep position in the Guild of Students. Lyndon, how you enjoying Carnival 2013?
Yeah, right, I know party shot. Carnival and the sickest thing. Anybody miss it, miss the best event, you know. You see me?
All right, Lyndon, tell me why we're supposed to vote for you for commuters rep. Fast.
Yeah, vote for Lyndon because Lyndon is the one, you know, the one with the plan, you know.
Chance and place, you see me? But next year, a different thing. A different. Good. So Dynamite to the real, and Dynamite to the shut up.
What are they? So, all the man at track and someone else look good.
Faculty of MedSci representative. Now, Daniel Thomas, how are you enjoying yourself?
You know, I'm enjoying myself quite well, you know. I'm drinking a little alcohol, kind of afraid of the alcohol cirrhosis, but, you know, may God be my trust and them things, so God will help me out, you see me?
All these medical terms now. Tell us, why should you be elected as the faculty representative?
Well, quite frankly, Daniel Thomas is a versatile person, you know. Yeah. Daniel Thomas, a.k.a. Doc Weezy. Yeah. I can bring versatility to the faculty, you know. Unite all the departments in the faculty from BB MedSci, from MBBS, from nursing, physiotherapy, radiology, DDS. I can bring everybody together, you understand? I'm a people person, so people kind of, you know, they rate me, and, you know, everything will go smooth. So I have plans for every faculty. We just listen to their cries and we just attend to their needs, you understand me?
So I tell you what, I know a lot of people will be intoxicated and, you know, we might need some doctors. So where are the doctors if we need them?
Right now, I'm every doctor right here. Surgeon, medical doctor. No baby is here, so we won't be dealing with the pediatrician. But I can help everybody, you understand me?
There you have it from the MedSci boss himself, Daniel Thomas.
Here with TV again, 2013 Carnival. Here with the CAC, the man responsible this year. Miguel Reid, talk to it.
All right, first thing, you know, so this is easily one of the biggest events in the whole of Jamaica. You know what I mean? I'm just know so proud who can please the entire Jamaican population, the Barbados individuals, Trinidad, everywhere, every individuals from everywhere for past the pace. Bacchanal can't compete. I remember Miguel Gramerson Reid is going to be the one that will host this event next year again. So let's look out, and they're going to win CAC.